This is stunning three-level condo-style home has absolutely amazing views of the Chesapeake Bay from all three levels. Catch the sunrise and sunset off the bay. Located just steps away from Harrison's Fishing Pier, a local landmark of the area, pull into an oversized double-car garage or enter through the side entrance foyer. 3 master bedroom suites include, one on first floor with patio that goes out to the yard with a fire pit to sit and enjoy the spectacular views. The second level is the main living space. The kitchen comes with stainless steel appliances and an eat-in area. A breakfast bar opens to the dining area. Large great room with gas fireplace has large windows reviews and open to second level deck. Sit and relax with the corner bar and overlook the bay. The other master bedrooms are located on the third level. Dealer gist of the two is an amazing master bedroom suite with a full wall of windows with amazing views at every corner. Wake up to the sunrise every morning. Life is good.